How to install Telegram Premium. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to install Telegram Premium. If you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video very carefully because I will teach you all the necessary steps you need to take in order to do this. So without further ado, let's go. So right here you can see Telegram Premium. And if you click on this, you can see that we can have this $3 per month on annual subscription, and on the monthly subscription we have $5 per month. So this price actually depends on depending on the location and region that you're in. So for some, this monthly subscription costs around $6, but for me it costs around $5. So if you want to have a cheaper subscription, then you can change your location or use a VPN or move to another country if that is the most possible ways for you. So another thing that you can do is just click on search right here and search for premium bot. This is that bot's username. So after that, just click on start right here. And if you encounter this problem right here, then that just means that you need to update the Telegram on your phone. So let's try to update it on our Play Store and search for Telegram. And then once you're done updating it, just click on open right here, and it should be able to offer you some subscriptions. So let's retry it. So this bot actually offers a discount for up to 40%. So as you can see earlier, I have a $5 subscription. So since they're offering for up to 40%, then that just means that those $5 subscription will only remain up to $3, and I should be able to get the annual subscription into a mere $2 less or something. So just try this bot right here and you should be able to subscribe to Telegram. It will ask for your credit card details, but this is secure and official bot by Telegram itself. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to install Telegram Premium. If you have questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.